What the skip? What the you say because the people and God's people. Dave, saan ako man? To people, you know, to people. I look like so bad, bruh. Come on, losing team. It's 21. Yeah. Who wants to 1v1 with me, bruh? I'm in Philippines, though. But I'm speaking English. Let's go with me, boy. Don't go, Nami. Let's go. Sa Malaga baging sa Malaga English prophet. Sa Malaga baging sa Malaga Yeah, what's that? Let's go, mean no. Let's go, mean no. Oh, oh. To people, you know, to people, you know. Wala na tayong makagawa. Kapag lobby.
Palawin. said to correct all those resource persons that replied with regards to the COS order by this honorable committee. We never cited them on them. We followed due process in this committee. There is a motion to issue subpoena to all those mentioned by the Honorable Patuano for not attending and answering the COS order issued by the three committees. Duly seconded. Do I hear any objection? Hearing none, the motion is carried.
Naiintindihan ng House Strike ang mga tax laws upang matiyak na
Ibig
nakapagpapahayag
sabihin magkape para finish? Na. Na. Kape para finish. Sama, ibang kape. Mommy! Na. Ow! Na. Ow! Na. Parang yan ang kape, na. Kape ka.
Was! Ano, magano pa lang. Sa eskwela nila i-assemble. Pre-prepare na lang.
Ikakat lang pala. Ikakat lang. Tapos sa school i-assemble. Kumbaga mag-ano pa rin.
Marunong ba mag-tap? Hindi, kaya
Hindi, dito pa lang daw.
gawan may itang timubuntok mo kayo. Katawa. Kaya kayo, pidikit-dikit daw ka rin.
Mahirap naman yung pinapabasa mo. Para hindi iniisip na hindi na kaya ng mga bata.
Iya gamitin eh.
Ha?
Iya
Amo,
gamitin.
Puta na yung gero.
Yan! 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 Ha? Yan!
Oh, sabi.
Sa Hong Kong, bawal ang TikTok.
Bawal lang.
TikTok.
Oh, ganda yan. Miku, you can call me Miku. Mikaela, apangit ni Mikaela. Sorry, Lord. Mikaela, maganda. So, my dad just take it from me. And I post his still. Oh my god.